In this video, I would like to introduce you to the Lunavio platform. If you're used to trading, you probably know that making a good profit doesn't usually come from a single massive profitable transaction, but rather from executing many smaller, consistently profitable transactions. As a day trader, you likely have your own strategy, but the main problem here is amount of time required to analyze the market and open positions at the right moment. What if I told you there's a software that can automate all of this for you? That's exactly what the Lunavio is about. It is not another investment platform. You do not deposit any money. Lunavio is a tool that connects to your exchange via API, analyzes the market for you, and automatically opens and closes positions based on your custom parameters. For example, if your strategy is based on Bollinger Bands, Lunavio analyzes whether the price breaks out of the band at any point. Then it calculates percentage of the breakout, so for instance, it will open a position only if the price crosses the Bollinger Band by, for example, 1%. You can also add another indicators like RSI or stochastic RSI with an additional trigger of crossing the lines. From there, you simply set your position size, take profit and stop loss levels. You can even make it more advanced by setting up multiple entries for a single position. It all works on multiple coins at the same time, allowing you to set unique strategies for each coin or apply one strategy to all of them. The Lunavio platform analyzes the market all the time with a 1-second refresh rate, ensuring you never miss an opportunity. It's also worth mentioning that Lunavio offers so-called backtest feature, which allows you to test a strategy on historical data before you actually run a real trading. By doing that, you can see how changing a single parameter in a strategy influences the final result, and then apply that to your daily trading. You can run tests on multiple coins at the same time, then you can clearly see if a strategy ended up with profit or loss. You can see how many trades were actually played and which coin performed best. You can also check the list of all trades and analyze in detail when the positions were opened and closed. Lunavio never has a direct access to your funds. It can only execute trades on your chosen exchange. So as you can see, you no longer need to spend the whole day watching the charts. Lunavio will do it for you and automate everything you would do by yourself. To learn more about the platform, visit lunavio.io. Trading cryptocurrencies, particularly with leverage, carries a high level of risk and may result in a loss of all invested capital. Lunavio's materials and features are provided for educational and informational purposes only and do not constitute investment advice or a recommendation. Past performance does not guarantee future results.